Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Fashion. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive designer sarees collections with designer blouses also. So let me display ready-made blouses with beautiful and fashionable looks. So let me display this one very beautiful, smart and fashionable looks, and pure muslin silk golden zari border and all over beautiful bright embroidery design, very trendy and fresh fashionable looks. This one full base part, very nice looks, golden zari border and all over base part is fine embroidery design, muslin silk, handloom muslin silk with beautiful fine colorful fine embroidery design, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece and this one is all over base part, beautiful embroidery work. And this one pallu portions all over same embroidery heavy work, very trendy and fresh looks, transparent material or pure muslin silk golden zari border with beautiful embroidery work, bright one. And I will suggest this designer fashionable blouse, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is full set. And this one is beautiful designer blouse, satin material, premium quality. Inside have cotton cloths, and this portion is front portion and this portion is back portions, and fully fashionable trendy looks, very beautiful one. And this one is full set, fully designer blouse, and this one is fashionable saree, very trendy and smart looks. And this one also very beautiful one, pure organza premium quality, pure organza silk with digital print and Banarasi work, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, pure premium quality organza silk with Banarasi weaving border and all over fine golden zari checks with digital printed one, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is full base part, beautiful digital printed one, Banarasi weaving border, very exclusive trendy fashionable looks. This one is full base part and this portion is full base part is fine weaving checks digital print, and this portion is Banarasi weaving border. This one is running blouse piece and this one full base part, very exclusive one. And I believe this designer blouse, very exclusive smart one. This one beautiful designer blouse. And this portion is organza silk with digital printed one and fully designer piece. Inside have cotton cloths, and this one is this portion is hand portions, very trendy and fresh looks. This one is front and this one is back, and this portion is hand portions, very trendy and smart looks. And this one is full set, very beautiful one. And this one also very nice looks, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton silk material, soft one, summer friendly, based for your daily wear, office wear, very smart looks, highlighted golden zari border, contrast pallu. This one full base part, blue shade, highlighted 1-inch golden zari border, and this portion is patli pallu. This pink and blue contrast looks. This portion is pleat section and this one is upper base part and this one is pallu, and very beautiful one, soft one, summer friendly, and this one is full base, very beautiful one. And this portion is split section. This one is running blouse piece and this one is upper base part. And I will suggest this designer blouse, fully cotton fabric, smart design looks. This one is full set and premium quality cotton fabric with nice bright printed one, and this portion is hand portions and this portion is neck portions, collar pattern, very trendy and smart looks. And this one is back portion and this one is front portions, very beautiful one. And this one is hand, premium quality cotton fabric, trendy and smart looks, based for your office wear, daily wear, very smart one. Very beautiful, smart and trendy looks, premium quality organza silk with beautiful reshmi zari weaving border and buta design, very trendy and smart, elegant, fashionable looks. This one, beautiful color combinations. This one is all over base part, premium quality, exclusive organza silk with beautiful reshmi zari weaving buta, and this one is border portions, beautiful heavy reshmi zari weaving, soft border, very soft one, and this one is full base part, beautiful base, and this one pallu portions, fully contrast color, highlighted pallu, reshmi zari weaving patch with beautiful buta work pallu, and very lightweight, comfortable, premium quality organza silk. And this one running blouse piece, contrast color, and I will suggest this designer blouse, very beautiful one. This one is beautiful designer blouse, and base part is pure chanderi silk with mirror work, very nice one. This one is front portion, and this portion is hand portions, fully designer piece, and this one is back portions, very trendy and smart looks. This portion is back portions, fully designer piece, inside have cotton cloths, and this one is front, very exclusive, smart and fresh looks, beautiful one. And this one also very nice bright color combinations. Let me open. Pure muslin silk with hand weaving jamdani work, and very trendy and fresh looks. This one is full base part, beautiful heavy traditional hand weaving jamdani work, and very nice color combination. This one is golden zari border, pure muslin silk with beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani work all over base, and very colorful, also transparent material, pure muslin silk, and this one is all over hand weaving jamdani design, and this one is running blouse piece and fully worked, and this one is pallu in beautiful fine golden zari stripes, and this one is all over piece, very trendy and fresh looks. And I will suggest this designer blouse, fully knit and satin material used, and fully designer piece. This one is beautiful designer blouse, and satin and knit material used. This portion is hand portions, fully designer hand, and this one is back portions, beautiful smart looks, and this portion is front portions, beautiful frill design, inside have cotton cloths, very trendy and fresh looks, and this one full set, very exclusive one. And this one also very nice and smart, trendy, fashionable looks, tissue muslin silk with sequin design, very nice one, based for your festive wear, party wear, very gorgeous and smart, elegant look. This portion is full base part, this portion is border portions, pure muslin silk with silver sequin design, highlighted border, and this portion is tissue muslin base, silver base with silver sequin design, stripes all over base, very lightweight, comfortable. This one is pallu end, and all over base part is same sequin design, fully designer piece, very beautiful exclusive one. This one is full base, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very nice one. And I will suggest this blouse, designer blouse, very trendy and smart look, satin material, inside have cotton cloths, and this portions back portions, beautiful bow design, and very nice trendy looks, and this portion is front portions, and this portion is back portions, very nice one, and satin material, and this one is full set, very exclusive, smart and fashionable looks. Beautiful, smart, bright color combinations, premium quality, pure handloom, soft silk material, weaving border, and all over base part is fine embroidery floral buta, very nice looks, soft one, summer friendly also. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, soft silk, and this one is border portions, beautiful fine golden zari weaving design work border, and all over base part is fine embroidery floral buta design, very trendy and looks. And this one pallu portions, fully silver zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one is all over base part is same embroidery buta work, very nice and fresh looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very beautiful one. And I please suggest this designer blouse, very exclusive, fashionable designer blouse. This one is beautiful designer blouse, satin material, premium quality satin material, inside have cotton cloths, and this portion is front portion, fully jacket pattern, very trendy and fresh looks. And this portion is umbrella cutting hands, and this one, you know, back portions with beautiful lace design, very trendy and smart fashionable looks, very beautiful one. And this one is full set, fully fashionable and trendy smart looks. And this one also in a very beautiful designer piece, pure premium quality georgette with beautiful sequin work, very exclusive one, you know. Let me open. This one is full base part is bright red shade and all over sequin design, and very lightweight, also lightweight, comfortable and beautiful sequin design, based for your festive wear, party wear, very beautiful gorgeous looks all over, same sequin design, very beautiful gorgeous looks, and very lightweight also, you know, heavy work but lightweight. This one is full base soft one, premium quality georgette. And I will suggest this designer blouse, very exclusive one, satin with knit and sequin design combined work and blouse. And this one, you know, front portions, very beautiful one, satin material, and this portion is knit with sequin work. This portion is hand portions, and this one, you know, back portions, very beautiful smart looks, bright and trendy fashionable looks. And this one is full set, very exclusive designer looks, a very beautiful one. And this one also in a very beautiful trendy and smart looks, bright red shade with hand weaving Banarasi work, very exclusive one, you know, or organic linen with Banarasi design, very trendy and smart looks, traditional also. This one, you know, full base part organic linen base. This portion is border portions, fully fine hand weaving Banarasi design border, and all over base part is butta design, very bright color combinations, bright red shade with butta work. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, pallu portions, heavy weaving design work, highlighted pallu. This portion is heavy Banarasi weaving design work, highlighted pallu, very beautiful gorgeous looks. And this portion is border portions, and this one is all over this, very trendy one. And I will suggest this designer blouse, golden shade, very beautiful one. This one, you know, front portion, beautiful exclusive one, silk material. This portion is front portions with beautiful frill design. This portion is hand portions with lace border design work, and this portion is, you know, back portions, very beautiful smart one. And this one is full set, gorgeous looks, very beautiful one, pure soft chiffon Banarasi, very trendy and smart bright looks. Let me display this one, you know, beautiful soft chiffon Banarasi, very soft one, comfortable premium quality. And this one is all over base part, very trendy and fresh looks. This portions, you know, full base part soft one and bright color combinations with silver zari fine weaving Banarasi work pallu. And this one is all over base part is beautiful Banarasi butta design by silver zari, and this portions, you know, border portions. And this one, you know, full base part, very beautiful one, soft one, summer friendly, pure premium quality soft chiffon Banarasi, very trendy one, all over butta, very exclusive one. Designer blouse, very exclusive smart and trendy looks, you know, fully designer piece. And this portion is, you know, knit with embroidery work, and this portion is hand portions, fully knit with designer hand work. And this one is back portions, very trendy and fresh looks. This portion is back portion, and this portion is, you know, front portions knit with embroidery work. Inside have cotton cloths and beautiful designer hand, very exclusive smart and fresh fashionable looks. And this one is full set, very beautiful one. And this one also in a very beautiful smart and trendy fashionable looks. And this one is beautiful soft silk with silver zari weaving highlighted stripes, very trendy and fashionable look, soft one, summer friendly. This one, you know, full base part, very nice fresh looks, silver zari fine stripes all over base, very bright looks, you know, and purple set. This portion is pallu and beautiful pom-pom design, and all over same stripes work, very bright one. And I will suggest this designer blouse, very beautiful smart looks. This one is, you know, full set, very beautiful one. This one is pure premium quality organza with digital print base. Inside have cotton cloths and contrast color piping on neck portions, and this one, you know, hand portions, beautiful design work, and this portion is back portions, very nice one, beautiful, smart, fashionable looks. And this one, you know, full set, very beautiful one. And you know, today I have get a fully designer sarees, very beautiful, smart look, satin material, all over same satin plain with beautiful designer lace border, very exclusive, smart looks, beautiful color combinations, bright bottle green shade, and fully lace border design work, very trendy and smart looks with fashionable designer blouse, very beautiful one. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.